What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to a very impromptu short video. In today's video, I wanted to share this website, iOS-resolution.com, that I personally use, and I realized I never really shared it on this channel. So it's a pretty interesting resource that I wanted to take 30 seconds to go through. Debatably, this video should be a YouTube short, but I digress. If you ever are wondering what the various sizes are for different devices, let's say you are, wanting to test a large application across various devices, iPhones, iPads, older, newer devices, and you want to find the pixels, how wide and tall something is, you can come to this website and you can actually go through device by device. And not only can you see things like the pixels per inch, otherwise known as PPI, you can see the scale factor, the physical size. You can also, of course, go through the various pieces of information in these columns here and compare, the sizes. Now, what do I actually use it for? So very often when, building large apps, we use constraints to lay out our content, our views. However, in some cases, we want to say, if the size is really large, maybe we want to use a different layout. The size class will warrant us to do something different. So coming to this website, and in fact, even sharing this website if you have a client, is helpful to help everyone understand what the various cases you're working with are, because gone are the days when we had like 4 devices, and as this list is very telling, we have to handle a bunch of different devices with a bunch of different sizes. Now, one thing that I'll also mention here is on the right hand side, there's also referral links to presumably buy these devices, and I assume this is how this website is monetizing and making money, driving referral traffic. But that's all I've got for you guys today. Very, very short video. Let me know if you've seen or used this website before. I know I personally do. Share it on Twitter, like the video, subscribe, hit the bell icon for notifications for new videos. You guys know the drill. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.